Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to change orientation of one page. As example, we have this one page and I will create the second page into the landscape. You can go to layout. I will click at this point, the key feature, and you can click on page setup, change into landscape, and I will change apply to into this point forward. Click OK. Now you can see the second page will be changed into the landscape. I will create again for the portrait in the third page. I will click at this point, go to page setup, and then click on portrait, change apply to this point forward. Click OK again. So that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to change orientation of one page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.